everybody. So today is January 1st, the Happy New Year, and I don't know if I'll get this posted as soon as January 1st, but I just wanted to give I guess a recap of the accomplishments of the first day of 2023, and still out here in PR. Just been out all day seeing some of the other sites here in Puerto Rico. So we got to venture off and see an old, where I guess the train tracks used to go, a tunnel to walk through. Of course, that was one of the times when my hubby was pushing me in the wheelchair. So again, grateful for the wheelchair. So this used to be for train tunnel, right? But they don't run those trains through here anymore. So now it's just one of the tourist attractions. That is where you're going. Came out of the tunnel and going through these mountain rocks still. So video might be a little bumpy. Oh, and,
oh my God.
Wow. Oh, people are down in there and leaving some litter, but what can you say? Nice, natural.
Brave enough, maybe on the way back, anything that's more interesting that you can.
Yeah, I don't know if
you can hike down there.
I don't know if I fit over there.
And then out, you see the ocean again. Up the mountains.
Narrow coming up.
And yes, very narrow. The wheelchair fit. Yes. Oh, yeah. Think that's, yeah. I don't. Oh no, I don't trust that. Yeah.
No, I can make it around there, but
that.
I don't know how far down we're going to be able to go.
You.
Yeah, I think they're turning around from there.
So that's enough to capture this beautiful sight. Wow.
Yeah.
The color of the ocean is gorgeous. And there was other trails to go to, so I didn't get to venture on that. He did, and my mom walked down there for a moment, but it was all very beautiful.
Just down here, way at the end, across the mountains, the city.
Hey guys, Aiden here. One of the many awesome sights that we're seeing here in Puerto Rico. It's pretty awesome. Check it out, guys.
And then we also saw this statue that, like a Indian reserve statue, that's almost like the entrance of the town when you first get off their highway area. And that's an attraction where a lot of people would just jump out of their cars and take a quick picture and get back in, which it was a weird intersection, but that's how it's done here. And then we got to go up all these crazy roads. It was about a half hour, 40 minutes drive. And oh my goodness, the way he drove through this single lane, a couple close calls, because how do you get two cars on that same road is next to impossible. And they even give you the signs, the warning signs, before you start traveling up this road, that make sure you use your flashers, you honk your horn, you take all the precautions to get through this zigzag tiny roads. Chugging, tugging. but it was to take us to a beautiful little waterfall into this little like pond lagoon area, and all experience like part of that rainforest, which of course it started raining. So I'll add a little bit of that clip in a moment with the waterfall. That was beautiful and awesome sounds, and he took some soothing recording of that to possibly relax to and listen to and watch. So we're under the canopy, but those are the steps to take down, but there's a waterfall just going down the steps. So to be able to make it down here, but hey, it is probably considered some of the rainforest area, so rain makes sense. Go figure, the day we come out here. And somehow the steps lead down to that lagoon area, and the waterfall is coming down behind those trees. You can see the waterfall coming down into that lagoon. But if the sun was out, maybe we'd figure out a way to get in that water. If I could make it down those steep steps, wherever they are over here. And there's probably more steps down there. There you go. That was the first day of the year here in PR, and I accomplished it. In fact, one of the adventures getting to that waterfall, the park itself was closed today due to them honoring it being the holiday of the first New Year. So a lot of people were just parking on the side of the road, which we did, and working their way in, walking around the gate to get to the waterfall. So you had to do a little bit of up and downhill, and I couldn't take my wheelchair there. It was even a little steep for that area. So with the help, here are the horses, with the help of hubby and mom, of course, we made it deep enough, past the drive, which would have been to the parking lot that was steep, and then got to see the waterfall. And it makes me think of another friend of mine with cerebral palsy, and boy, has she accomplished a lot. And she's even done like a triathlon, with some assistance, but goodness, how much she does it on her own. So it was one of those moments where, yeah, I can definitely, do this little hike too. And we did it. We made it to the waterfall and made it safely back home. We were able to take more of the highway route back, so that was much safer, especially in the dark. But we made it back. Of course, I'm feeling it, but that's okay. Tomorrow's another day, and we're just taking advantage of the good moments, and hopefully sleep it off and the body be rejuvenated, and all those like fever, flu, achiness types feelings, be gone. But either way, it was huge accomplishments and well worth it. So thank you guys. See you next time. Of course, share this wonderful news and encouraging moments to others. Love you.